Okay, Xbox One stuck on partially installed. Now that's working. Warzone's working. Zombies. Campaign's working. Multiplayer. Been stuck for 2 days, man. Uninstalled it, reinstalled it. Everything, all these YouTube tricks. It's bull crap, man. I ain't about to lose my mind over this. I guess they want you to try to play zombies, or I don't know what's going on. Make you do the campaign, because I guess a lot of people don't do the zombies or the campaign, so they forcing you. Warzone. I'm just here for multiplayer, man. Free for all. That's all. So you buy a game, $64, and you can't even play for 2 days.